What is biohacking? So, biohacking is where science, technology, and nature meet. It is to change your internal and your external environment so that you have more control over your biology, and it allows you to kind of upgrade your body, your mind, and your overall life. Biohacking is helping people do a full 360 on how they approach their health and really allowing people to take control of their health and their biology. At the center or at the core of biohacking is a topic called epigenetics. And epigenetics is the understanding of how our environment, everything we interact with, everything we do, we eat, we think, we breathe, we touch, everything plays an impact or plays a part in our genetic expression. So, biohacking is the art of optimizing your performance in your body and your life with the help of some technological and biological aids, be they natural, be they medicinal if they need to be they of scientific base. Essentially, it's helping someone to become their best self. Some would say biohacking is helping someone to become superhuman. And that's not really where we're going, because that's for the more extremists and maybe for those people that have a little bit more money to spend on biohacking technology and objects, because some of them can be expensive. With biohacking, we always take a health first approach. We try to do no harm, but anything that's recommended by a biohacker or true biohacking is always based on health first. So if somebody asks me to help them lose weight, it's always from a health first approach. Yes, I can help you lose weight, but we're going to do it the healthy way. We're going to make sure that we're supporting cellular health. So a biohacker understands that to be optimal, the body must be strong and fluid at the same time so that you can have ease of movement through your life and enjoy your life as much as possible while becoming the optimal you that you can be. A biohacker also sees his or her body as a complex object that can be probed and analyzed and understood and put through a few trials with maybe some errors to help one understand oneself better. So biohacking has a complete approach to optimizing the body on a whole and on every level. And a biohacker, which you are now going to become, you're going to become a biohacker too, strives to be the best version of themselves. We want total human optimization or total self optimization in the long term. That's what we're looking for, not just in the short term or the immediate, but in the long term. So that's what biohacking is. At times, a biohacker can recommend for someone to use some supplements or some technological or scientific aids, maybe some grounding mats. It can be maybe if you have some cash to spare, we could recommend a Modius, maybe some infrared, some saunas, even float tanks. You know what? Part of biohacking can even be just walking out in nature and touching a tree, or getting some direct sunlight, or upgrading how you get direct sunlight by standing on your head outside and looking towards the sun. So there's biohackers really, and one of the reasons I love being a biohacker is because we look at everything. We understand the body is one whole system and it needs a whole approach, a holistic approach, but yet an awareness that science and conventional medicine and technology all play their part in optimizing oneself as well. So I hope that gives you kind of an understanding of what biohacking is, what a biohacker is, and how you're becoming a biohacker yourself. Okay, bye everyone.